National Conference and the Congress Party on the Kashmir issue, they are now trying to blame the BJP with regard to the non-granting of the statehood status to Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the Article 370, when it was abrogated, three parts were made out of Jammu and Kashmir, and then Jammu and Kashmir now is under the UT category, and things have been taking place there very normally. People are going to theatres, people are slowly coming back to the democratic process, and BJP has gained good public support in Jammu and Kashmir area, Jammu area. So therefore, when the BJP is growing there and BJP is getting public support, the Congress party and the National Conference are trying to stall the BJP's growth. So therefore, they are making false allegation against the BJP government. BJP doesn't believe in backdoor entry in politics. We believe in people's support. As far as statehood is concerned, it is for the people's will, and the government definitely will take into the people's will whatever they want. It is the political demand of both the National Conference and Congress is not in the interest of the national integration. Bharatiya Janata Party, Telangana State, along with the Union Ministry for Coal and Mines, are taking out Singareni Bharosa Yatra, wherein the Singareni collieries now have recently been allotted with a block 2 of Tadacharla block, which will create a revenue of more than 64,000 crores, and it will last for nearly 40 to 50 years. And this particular allocation and nomination of the Tadacharla block 2 without any tender to Singareni collieries is a big leap towards the profit making unit of Singareni. So earlier it was in the losses. No coal blocks were actually auctioned, which were auctioned, they were not purchased by Singareni, and they could not get even single block for many years. Now after Naini coal block, Tadacharla block has been. So therefore today we are visiting all the areas which is covered under the Singareni collieries belt, and we are going to meet the workers there, employees there, and we are going to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for allocating the to Singareni the Tadacharla block 2 coal block, which is a very great achievement, and the Singareni colliery, which were in losses till now, will move towards the profit area. Though central government controls 49% of the share in Singareni, there is no administrative control of Government of India. It is only the state government. And the previous government, BRS, and this government, they have been neglecting the Singareni. Now Narendra Modi's efforts have now made Singareni a unit which will now in future will make profits and will cater to the needs of the people for employment, and also to the needs of the employees who are working, large number of employees, more than 40,000 employees who are working in Singareni. So therefore we are visiting Kottagudem, Manugur, Manchiral, Ramagundam and Pedapalli, which is entirely Singareni belt.